Hello, and welcome to this week's video in our series of videos on the 5 principles of lean. This video is the 5th video in the series, and it's on continuous improvement. Does making improvements in your work sometimes look like this? Is there a lot of change, but very little improvement? Stop for a second. Think about how you and your team could improve your business so that you could improve quality, you could reduce costs, and you could increase productivity. So how do you make improvements? You could add more material and equipment, but that's very expensive. You could add more people, but that's also expensive. Or maybe have your people work harder. Now what happens? They quit. My favorite saying that I hear is work smarter, not harder. Now, what does that mean to your employees? What are they supposed to do? Lean offers a simple, proven method for making improvements. It's to use the principles and practices of the Toyota production system, or what outside of Toyota is called lean. Lean teaches us to learn by making small, incremental improvements at first. In our Introduction to Lean course, helping the workforce take the first steps towards a continuous improvement workplace, we focus on helping the team members, the team leaders, and managers, some who are new to lean and want to know their role in lean. If you'd like to learn more about our course, the address and information is listed at the bottom. And remember, we help you take small steps so that the team members have a success at the first start and they feel good about moving forward. And small steps lead to big improvements.